Welcome to our post-game press conference. The Beermen remain unbeaten after the 98-91 victory against Magnolia. We are joined by best player of the game, CJ Perez, and winning coach, Coach George Lam. Congratulations, Jay. Coach George, high expectations for tonight's game. #1 offensive team versus the #1 defensive team. What was it about Magnolia's defense tonight that made you uncomfortable?
I told the players before the game that Magnolia likes to deny the passing lane. So we just have to counter that, and we just have to play through it. We just cannot sit around with offense against Magnolia because when they deny you, that's gonna ruin your offense. So which the players did them, and they were countering all of the denials of Magnolia.
Coach, veterans have been stepping up not only in San Miguel but throughout the league. Tonight, Chris Ross really exploded. Can you just give us a glimpse on what you think about his performance and what you have been seeing that just allows him to be this dominant?
Chris Ross has, I'm just very happy that Chris Ross has just practices after he does his skill work after our practices. So you can see what happened. Every time he practices, I think he becomes luckier. So I guess his practice or his skill work after practice proved good today.
Thank you, Coach. CJ, lamang kayo ng 9 at the first half after leading by as many as 20. Paano nag-iba yung approach mo in the first half and in the second half as you really exploded in the third and fourth quarters?
11 points, not 9.
11.
Yeah,
Sorry.
nung namanga ako ng 11,
I just looked.
for third, mag-second third. Medyo tumaas ang energy lang, hindi namin napaputan. So, parang yung momentum nag-shift sa Magnolia. So, ayun, as merong mga veterans na sila Bruce Ross, Marshall, talagang napupunto nila ng mga natatangan kami.
8-0, no team has done this in 10 years. CJ, how did this game help you prepare for the physicality of what's to come in the next few games and in the playoffs?
For sure, yung target nasa amin ngayon. So, yung 8-0 is natin. Kailangan namin sustain and consistent sa ginagawa namin sa practice and sa mga games.
At this point, we're opening the floor to the media.
Coach, your next game is against NX, a team that is also
Hungry for that twice to be had. Yeah. I know. As what I told you when we played before we played Magnolia. This is also a team that is going for the twice defeat advantage. So it's good. It's good we won now. So we just have a foot there, and we just have to think of NX on Sunday. That's a team that wants also to get twice defeat advantage.
Coach, how satisfied is it that you started out well? May mga games kasi kayo na nag-aabot kayo in the second half. How important was that one to start off on a good note?
Well, as what I said, yung bad games, yung bad start namin is because of long breaks. When we played Terra Firma, I think we had an 11-day break. When we played what was the next? Converge, we had a 7 or a 10 day. So we just tend to be complacent about it. But it's good. Teams don't win sa first half. It's good we really bounce back on when we started bad those past 2 games. At least going to the second half, we just played something else basketball, and the results were there.
CJ, first game against Magnolia since Game 6 of the Commissioner's Cup Finals plus conference, and alam naman natin nangyari doon naging finals ng Liga. Tonight, ipakitang kita sa goal at first San Miguel. CJ, is there any added motivation when you face the hard shots? Kasi it seems like every time you face Magnolia, you turn in a good performance.
Actually, sobrang challenging yung kalaban ng Magnolia kasi physicality, yung defense talaga, hindi mo talaga nakikita kung hanggang saan yung kaya mo eh. And ayun, siguro may mga times lang talaga na lucky lang talaga and namimake ko yung mga tira ko. And syempre hindi, parang gusto ko na maging consistent every game. Kahit sino man yung kahit hindi Magnolia, bibigay ko yung best ko. Bibigay ko yung game ko para manalo. And syempre ayaw ko sayangin yung taas nila kung saan.
Naramdaman mo mga defense ng Magnolia compared to Game 6?
Ako first half pa lang nanonood na ako.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
Ay, si Clyde pala, sayang.